Somewhere between Moscow and St. Petersburg, on the great Volga River, there is a city with the soul of a great ship. This is Rybinsk. It does not try to prove anything to anyone. It simply lives in its own rhythm. We invite you to take a walk through its center, where time flows differently.
Rybinsk begins with details. You need to look around. Here they are, real signs from the last century, but they still work today. This is not a museum setting. It's just a typical day in Rybinsk. The city's design is a story that has become everyday life.
Here is the heart of the city, the Volga. It is wide, powerful, and infinitely beautiful here. Rybinsk grew up around this river, and its character is the character of a sailor and a merchant. This bridge is like an artery connecting two banks of a huge country. Rybinsk is a city of craftsmen. Here, manual labor is highly valued. Here, a blacksmith uses a single blow to etch the city's memory on a coin. Here, wood carvers and soap makers offer guests a glimpse of the Volga's natural beauty. And of course, the city is rich in history, with shelves filled with Soviet artifacts and badges that capture an entire era. The main impressions are based on taste and sound. It smells like fresh bread from the local bakery, and it sounds like, of course, a balalaika. This is the soundtrack of a Russian province. Meanwhile, life is in full swing. Someone is solving chess problems, while children are having fun with their own games. Rybinsk is not about loud attractions. It's about the sensations, about the taste of fresh bread, the sound of a balalaika, the reflection of the sun on the Volga, and the warmth of old things that hold memories.
Above it all, the main guardian of the city, the Transfiguration Cathedral, soars. Its golden domes can be seen from anywhere in the center. It is a silent witness to hundreds of years of history, and its grandeur still sets the tone for everything around it. Goodbye, Rybinsk. Thank you for your quiet, poignant beauty.